Good morning. We are doing a mostly free break for you guys for the holiday season. It will involve 2014 Rack Pack, 2011 Elite Packs, 2013 Turkey Run, and half of this was free, half of it you did pay for. 2016 Sage Hit 12 auto per box. Teams are as follows. J-Wags 49ers, Bucks, Anthony, Titans, Bills, Falcons, Colts, Derek, Steelers, Jags, Packers, Texans, Ravens, Cardinals, Josh, Vikings, Patriots, Lions, Broncos, Redskins, East, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Chiefs. Saints, Raiders, Rams, Chiefs. That is going to do it. We will start with Bowman Rack Pack 2014. No idea. I figure I'll go in the order of likely to get a good hit. This is least likely. Ooh, shiny card. Looking the other way. It's gonna be something. Trey Williams rookie. Jadeveon Clowney rookie, Jordan Matthews rookie. We have a blue George Atkinson III, numbered out of 499 rookie. Going to the Raiders. Going to Ishan. George Atkinson III out of 499. Good start out of this. I don't expect much out of this. There's something else in here too. Ladarius Perkins rookie, Arthur Lynch rookie. I didn't think they'd all be rookies. Coney Ely rookie, Anthony Johnson, Salil Richardson, John Reed, okay, non-rookie, Marshawn Lynch, non-rookie, Geno Smith, Aaron Rodgers, Luke Kuechly. We have a next in line, Andre Johnson, cool looking parallel for the Texans. Not gonna be numbered. Cool looking though. I like it. One Derek and the Texans. Okay, not terrible. Taj Boyd, rookie card. Pile of rookies. Could have been a lot worse for that box, I think. Okay, we got these 2011 Elite Packs. These are from the Blaster box, which we got the Von Miller card out of in the last break. Now, this pack is thick. I know I've opened a bunch of these boxes and they can easily have a second hit in it, so fingers crossed for that. Gerard Breston, Jamal Charles for the Chiefs to $9.99 Craftsman insert. $9.99 Jamal Charles Chiefs is going to go to E. Yep, E with the Chiefs. And then the last two are crap. Last two are base. First two are base. Base Colt McCoy. There's usually one pack that's nothing. And then we have a nice for the Bengals, AJ Green rookie out of $9.99. I don't know if I got the Bengals or if somebody else did in this one. That's a pretty nice card though. Jamal Charles is not a rookie. He was way before this. Bengals go to me. Nice. AJ Green. Great card. Put Jamal. Okay, so Second numbered card for Asian already. Jamal Charles, $9.99. Okay, 2 on the back or nothing, 2 in front or nothing. We have a Darvin Adams out of $9.99. Or 2 of crap. Darvin Adams. I will have to look him up. He has NFL Shield, which probably means he didn't get drafted. Adams. Wikipedia. Plays in the Canadian Football League. Was signed by the Panthers as a free agent in 2011. So he's going to the Panthers. Carolina Panthers going to me. Darvin Adams. Okay. That's those packs. Two nice numbered cards. One, yeah. Turkey Red, these are pretty cool boxes. 1 auto per box. There is no hobby box of these, so you can get some nice. There's printing plates in here. There's all sorts of stuff. 2013 Turkey Red. There'll be, I think, 11 cards. 1 mini, 1 auto, and the rest are base, but they're cool looking base, like so. Good luck. I don't know what it is. Ryan Nassib, rookie. Zach Dysert, rookie. Eddie Lacy, rookie. That's a cool card. Oh, cool, for J-Wags. Marcus Lattimore, rookie auto. Some guy I don't know for the mini. Dan Buckner, Mike Gillisley, Ezekiel Ansah, TJ McDonald, Justin Hunter. I love Lattimore. He was so good in college. I know J-Wags has a couple on it, but Marcus Lattimore going to J-Wags, and so just a case on Mr. Eddie Lacy. Probably put one on Zeke Ansah, maybe some other guys later, but Eddie Lacy as well for Derek. Hunter. Okay, I'll get more of those guys later, but now Sage 2016, our first 2016, well, we did open some blasters. This is our first 2016 hobby. 12 autos. I don't know if it's 12 packs or if there's like 24 packs. Looks like more than 12 packs. So I'll open a few at a time. Good luck, everybody. Checklist for this is pretty good. There's about half of this year's good rookies are on it. The Sage High and Low actually divided up pretty well this year, I think. Like, for instance, this one has Zeke, this one has Cody Kessler, has Michael Thomas, has Joey Bosa, there's Cardell Jones. There's a lot of pretty good guys in this one. And the other one has, Dak Prescott, has Jared Goff. I don't think Wentz signed for Sage, but see one auto in there. packs are in this bad boy, but we open the pile and we will go through. Good luck, everybody. Kyle Facknell, Delanian Wilson. First auto, Mike Berovici. 250. I will look him up and others that I don't know at the end. He looks like a quarterback. He is a quarterback. Mike Berovici. I do not know how to say it. That's what we'll go with. Bosa. Jakeem Grant. I believe he's a Packer. Rookie auto. I think he's actually a Packer that actually ended up on another team. I will confirm. See color. Artistry, Hunter Henry. That is going to go to the Chargers. I have the Chargers. Hunter Henry Artistry. Laramie Tunsil Gold Premium Portraits. It's a cool card. Tunsil went to the Dolphins. Pretty sure Laramie Tunsil went to the Dolphins. Let me finish. I'll get through the rest of this and then look up those three guys to double check. There's my Zeke card. Jared Goff, Premium Portrait for the Rams. Nice. Going to E. Jared Goff. Will Fuller. Darian Griswold. Come on now. Out of 250. Haven't got a good auto yet. That is for sure. Jakeem Grant's not a bad. I think he's a decent player, but Darian Griswold out of 250. There you go. Cordell Jones. Rookie Premium Portraits. Let's go on to Anthony. Looks like the Premium Portraits are gold here. They're silver in the other non-hobby version. It's going to go to Anthony and the Buffalo Bills. Premium Portrait. Anthony's first card. We got to get Josh on the board. Derek at least has it. Eddie Lacy, but yikes. Cordell Jones, Devin Johnson, Nick Martin, Jalen Ramsey, Marshawn Coppledge. Rookie auto. So far, not so good on this. There's a lot of guys. Okay, time to look up these. Not good when you gotta look them up. Marshawn Coppledge. Looks like Marshawn Coppledge is a running back for the Giants. I got the Giants. Marshawn Coppledge. Elliott Griswold. Danny Griswold looking like he is a Colt. Danny Griswold is a Colt. That is going to Anthony. Danny Griswold out of 250. It looks like they cut him because he got hurt. Undrafted free agent. Laramie Tunsil, I believe, is a Dolphin, but I would double check. Dolphins. Let's get the Dolphins. I got the Dolphins. I got a pile of teams in this one. Laramie Tunsil. Jakeem Grant, I believe, was drafted by the Packers. Looks like he was a punt returner for the Dolphins and buffed some punts. But I think he got drafted by the... No, Grant was drafted by the Miami Dolphins, 186. Returned to punt return week 5. Drafted by the Dolphins, so he's also going to meet. Looks like he recently didn't do so good, but Mike Berkovich. Oh, he's got a Wikipedia page. Signed with the San Diego Chargers after going undrafted. I got the Chargers as well. Okay. How many hits did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4 autos, I think. So we still got 8 more. 8 more to get. At least probably 2 good guys would be Zeke and Ramsey or Bosa. Cardell Jones. You're better to open these, but they're still a pain. There, another pile. Good luck, everybody. We got a Keith Marshall, a Joey Bosa, a Xavier Howard. Wow, this has not been a good box so far. 5 autos down. Had to look all of them up. The inserts have been nice. Jared Goff, Cardell Jones, Xavier Howard. What came up at the end of the pile? Hopefully there's no more I gotta look up. Will Fuller, Corey Coleman, premium portraits. Now he is silver, so I don't know. Maybe the gold ones are worth a little more rare. That I do not know. Corey Coleman's brown. Corey Coleman's a brown. Browns go 2. Me. 3. Kenny Clark, Derek Watt, Farrell. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got one. Holy shit. Instantly sweating. Ezekiel Elliott. Holy shit. Wow, artistry, Ezekiel Elliott. Oh Wow. 37 out of 100. Wow. Wow. That, okay, we gotta get something for somebody else now. Holy, Cody Kessler artistry. That's going to me and the Browns, I think. Wow. Artistry, too. Zeke. We got a Joshua Garnett. Wow, dude. Well, I can't talk crap about this box anymore. Holy shit. Sorry for my language, YouTube, but wow. Joshua Garnett. Leonard Floyd I was looking for. Paul Perkins. What came up later? Wow. Zeke Elliott, artistry auto. Joshua Garnett. Wow. Joshua Garnett. #28th overall pick for the 49ers. Okay. Guard. There you go, J-Wags. You got, I'm guessing, one of your starting guards. Doesn't say so, but 28th overall pick, you would hope so. Xavier Howard. This box is turning around here. Wow. Xavier Howard. Second round draft pick corner from the Dolphins. I got the Dolphins too. Wow. What the hell of a Zeke ball. Okay, this is the rest of the box. So, how many hits are we missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hits. So I think there's going to be 5 more in here. Right? No, I think there's going to be 5 more in here, unless I'm, maybe I'm missing one. I think 5 is a lot, but there's one, I can tell you. You can see the green pointing the other direction. I can't believe I pulled a Z. Holy crap. I assume I gotta keep it. Jeez. Artistry, I don't even know what they go for. Last I looked, they were, you couldn't really even get an auto hits for under 80 bucks. Okay, I think there's going to be a bunch here. Jalen Ramsey, artistry. Going to Derek. Okay, this is now my box officially. Joey Abosa. Wow. Going to the Chargers. Bosa and Zeke. We got to get somebody else for somebody else that's good. Laramie Tunzel. Jalen. Hunter. Oh my god, this is my best box of all time for personally. Hunter Henry's a Charger. Holy crap. Those are like in a perfect world the 3 best guys I could have got in this box. I would have literally ordered a Zeke, Bosa, Hunter Henry. Nice. Runyon Wilson, artistry, literally Derek Alexander, rookie auto, defensive end. Literally the only, I mean, I'd like a Malik Collins. If I'm making a request now, I mean, geez. This is the third auto for this, so I think there's going to be 2 more. Derek Alexander. And Burbridge. Zeke Artistry. Insert. Zeke. Will Fuller. We got a Jalen Ramsey premium portraits for Derek. Wow. Merry Christmas to me. Jalen Ramsey going to Derek. I think 2 more autos. Malik Collins. Michael Thomas. There we go. I don't know. I hope he's on somebody else. I hope somebody else got Pharaoh. I don't even honestly know what team he's on. But I know he was I think a first round draft pick, if not an early second. This box just spun and just, wow. Cordero Jones. Hunter Henry, last auto. Geronimo Allison, I believe is a Packer. I think he caught a touchdown like 2 weeks ago for the Packers, assuming he got drafted or signed by them. But we will double check that for sure. I thought it was Geronimo Allen, but it looks like it's Allison. Wow. Geronimo Allison. Signed by the Packers, undrafted free agent. Going to Derek. That's a pretty good one, actually. He is with Rodgers. You never know who's going to be over there. Pharaoh Cooper. There's a Ram. 4th round. Pharaoh Cooper going to E. Nice auto for you, E. I don't think Josh got like a single card. Jesus. Pharaoh Cooper. He's not done that. That's his first auto. And Derek Alexander. I remember I looked this guy up because I hadn't heard of him. He is a defensive end. Yeah, that is a different guy. There's a different Derek Alexander who's old. Tulsa? I think he's from Tulsa. Okay, all I can find is that he met with the Steelers, so I'm going to give it to Derek. I don't know if he actually signed, but there's almost nothing on Derek Alexander. So I'm giving him to Derek. Wow, what a break for me. Okay, I'm going to have to do something else free for you guys. I will figure that out later. Holy crap. J-Wags. Joshua Garnett auto. Marcus Lattimore auto. Josh got just stoned here. Pharaoh Cooper for E. Pharaoh Cooper. Jared Goff premium portraits. Jamal Charles $9.99. George Atkinson to $4.99. Anthony Darian Griswold rookie auto to $250. Cardell Jones premium portraits. Derek Alexander auto. Andre Johnson cool insert. Geronimo Ellison to $250 auto. Jalen Ramsey premium portrait. Eddie Lacy turkey red. And holy crap, did I dominate. Ezekiel Elliott artistry. Hunter Henry, Joey Bosa, Xavier Howard, Ezekiel Elliott. Corey Coleman, Mike something, Jakeem Grant, Laramie Tunsil fit. Hunter Henry, Darwin Adams, AJ Green. Wow, incredible. Okay, I gotta pack this stuff up, get to work. Like I said, I'd like to do something else for you guys, because that was a holy crap box for me. So I will, I'll figure that out. I'll get back to you. Thanks.